Hello everyone, I'm Isabel and I'm going to talk to you about the Florence and its monuments. The first monument that we saw when we arrived was the Santa Maria Novella. Santa Maria Novella was built in 1290. It is famous of its mix of green and white. It is a Gothic church, but in the Renaissance the people won't adapt the church to the to this time. When we walked a little, we saw the Arno River, where there is a famous bridge with a lot of stores. And we can see where the lovers put padlockers, but it is provided. Also, we saw the Medici Arts Gallery. Although we couldn't enter to see it, but we can walk around the outside and we see a painters with drawings. Then we saw the Palacio Vecchio. It is very beautiful. If you see good the facade, you can see the drawing of a face. And finally, then a long wait, we could see the cathedral in Florence. It is the monument most famous and beautiful in Florence. It is the mix of the Gothic Italian architecture and the Renaissance architecture. A curious factor it is that it has the dome more big in the world, and it is the finally. Thank you for watching me and listening me, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and bye everyone.